I need to put my...
Turn back! Turn back! Hey! Open the door! Go, jump on! Jump on!
Breath.
Jump on! Brother! Brother! Don't rush yourself. Wait a minute.
How do they come in?
You're yellow, please. Just your safety, please.
That's not my train. My train isn't next, but here's the thing. I'm going to get on and get off at Fratton. Which is Cardiff Central via Salisbury. I'm actually quite excited to catch either a 158 or a 166 or a 165. It is a, hang on. One 158 769. It feels so weird. It's really nice. I'm actually sit down for a minute. So here's a GTR 158 unit review. Padding down here is really good. They have working toilets, which I won't show because of I'm literally only going to the next stop. So there's so much leg room. I'm just going one stop to Fratton. Oh, it smells so good. And we're off. I'm only going to one stop to Fratton. And there's a Portsmouth Southsea train which just pulled in, and that's going to Southampton Central. There's Fratton train station that we're pulling into. short journey. The next one will be Southern to Havant. So I'm going on 3 talks. So I'm at Stratton. I'll be catching this one. Sorry about that. It is busy, and now I'm on the 377.
People in other time zones just really.
Stratton. It is 377-461. And I'm just going 1 stop to. Well, my ticket allows me to do that. So. That means I've been on 3 talks.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to London Victoria. The next station is Hillsea.
Oh, it does stop at Southsea. Okay.
I mean, when I'm after work, I'm not going to the gym. I only start going 5 days a week. When we both start our diets,
When is my train departs? On Waterloo, it's coming at Portsmouth, Southsea. My train is also stopping at Hillsea. So I could get off at Hillsea, but I won't be getting off at Havant. It looks like we're approaching Bedhampton. We're currently, 57 miles per hour. Yeah, slowing down because there's a 40 coming up. Here's Bedhampton. Bedhampton level for crossing. So, finding today quite nice. I had English, that was fun, and ITV wrote us finished off the work. So another southwestern unit going past. Just replying to my fee.
We're now approaching Havant. You can change here for services to Southampton Central and London Waterloo.
feels weird doing this. So I went on a 158, a 377, which was a 387X Great Western unit, and now I'm back to my common train station. I'll press the button. You're welcome. Oh, it smells smoky here. So now I'm at Havant train station. Next station is, for me, Liss, which is good. It wasn't smelly at all. So, and my train, wow, that train wasn't a minute late departing, and my train is at 15:54 by 7. I really find it quite nice, which is good. Yeah, next week I will be coming back, but I might not take you with me. No, I won't take you with me. My thing came off. Do I love the trains? Yes, I do. Is there a nearest toilet? Because yes, there is, but I'm going to wait until I get home, which won't be in a matter of time anyway. I like how Portsmouth Southsea is POS. Yeah, it doesn't matter what station you go to, Portsmouth Southsea or Portsmouth Harbour. Actually, it doesn't. I'm currently Outlook. I'm just checking my junk email before I go. I have 444. Wow. Steam support. Steam. Upland. Uni. Days. Pizza Express and Replay. Because of uses the web browser. Okay. Yeah. Cloudy. Yeah, it says Petersfield Cloudy. Yeah, now in that territory. On to 2 different bus operators as well. Great, First and Stagecoach. Stagecoach was my first, which was to Waterloo till I'm back. We just went past King's Thursday. And now she. That's not good. Yeah. Hornby, which is Model Railway, plus Airfix, which are owned by them.
The next station is Liss.
One thing I do like about is that they improved it. They really improved it. So because of the train, oh, it's really nice. Because before, yeah. So because of grey metal, didn't really need to do that. Actually, I'm coach 2, so that looks really nice. I always press and hold the door button. Oh, it smells. And it smells the same like having it. It's like my smell vision hasn't changed. Ah.